Health and Social Care BSc at Keele is a really exciting new course. We cover the political and organisational context of health and social care. We look at leadership and management, care quality and communication skills. The course has been really designed to meet the needs of the local workforce.
I chose Health and Social Care at Keele because of my interest in helping new people into getting person-centred care. The facilities that are available on the course are the simulation suites, which give us the opportunity to put our learning into practice in a safe environment.
The best thing about studying health and social care at Keele is how the course links theory to real-life practice. The lecturers are very experienced and supportive.
Skills that I'm gaining on the course is my learning independence. I can now make decisions on my own without the need to discuss with peers and lecturers.
The skills I am gaining on the course is good communication, teamwork, critical thinking, which is used to understand how health and social care system connects.
I'm learning about on the course the history of health and social care, live courses which is ages and stages, academic skills, and I'm using case studies for real life scenarios, and it sets learning in for real life.
Studying health and social care at Keele is unique because we're an absolutely beautiful campus with strong links into the city, and we've got great student to staff ratios, so we can offer a really nurturing teaching and learning experience at Keele.